Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best motherboard that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Building a Ryzen gaming PC but stuck choosing a reliable AM4 motherboard? Many boards lack PCIe 4.0 support, stable VRMs, or modern connectivity like Wi-Fi 6E and 2.5 gigabits LAN. If you want strong performance, future-proof features, and solid gaming stability without overspending, this motherboard might be exactly what you're looking for. This is the ASUS ROG Strix B550F Gaming Wi-Fi 2 or Premium ATX AM4 Gaming Motherboard with PCIe 4.0, Wi-Fi 6E, and robust power delivery. AMD B550 chipset with AM4 support for Ryzen 3000/5000 series. PCIe 4.0 support for GPU and fast NVMe SSD. Built-in Wi-Fi 6E plus Bluetooth for ultra-fast wireless connectivity. 2.5 gigabits Ethernet LAN for high-speed wired networking. Strong 12+2 power stage VRM for stable CPU performance. Dual M.2 slots with heatsinks for high-speed SSDs. BIOS flashback, update BIOS without CPU installed. HDMI 2.1 plus DisplayPort support for APUs. Supreme FX audio for better gaming sound. Aura Sync plus addressable Gen 2 RGB headers for customization. ATX form factor with solid cooling and heatsinks. Pros: excellent VRM for Ryzen 7/Ryzen 9 CPUs. Wi-Fi 6E plus 2.5 gigabits LAN is rare at this price. PCIe 4.0 for GPU and SSD. Clean BIOS and easy setup. Premium build quality. Cons: no DDR5 support, DDR4 only. AM4 platform is older, no future CPU upgrades beyond Ryzen 5000. Only 2 M.2 slots, some competitors offer more. Slightly pricey compared to basic B550 boards. This motherboard is best for Ryzen 5 5600/Ryzen 7 5800X gaming builds. Mid-range to high-end AM4 PCs. Users wanting Wi-Fi built-in. Gaming plus streaming setups. Upgrading an existing AM4 system. Not ideal for new AM5 builds. Budget office PCs. DDR5 users. At $139.99, the ROG Strix B550F Gaming Wi-Fi 2 offers premium features at mid-range price, making it one of the best value AM4 gaming motherboards in 2026. Number 4. This is the GIGABYTE B550MK, a budget-friendly micro-ATX AM4 motherboard designed for Ryzen 3000, 4000, and 5000 series processors. AMD B550 chipset with AM4 support, Ryzen 3000/4000/5000. Micro-ATX form factor for compact PC builds. PCIe 4.0 support for next-gen GPU and NVMe SSD. 2x M.2 slots for fast SSD storage. DDR4 memory support up to 3200 MHz, OC higher. 3+3 power phase VRM for entry to mid-range CPUs. USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports for faster data transfer. Gigabit LAN for stable wired networking. QFlash support for easy BIOS updates. PCIe X16 slot with reinforced design. Basic audio and connectivity for everyday gaming builds. Pros: very affordable B550 motherboard. PCIe 4.0 supported budget price. Dual M.2 slots, rare in this price range. Compact micro ATX size. Good for Ryzen 5 gaming builds. Cons: basic 3+3 VRM, not ideal for Ryzen 9. No Wi-Fi or Bluetooth built-in. Only basic heatsinks. Limited USB ports. No RGB premium features. This motherboard is best for budget Ryzen 5 3600/5600 builds. Entry-level gaming PCs. Compact micro ATX cases. Office plus light gaming systems. Upgrading older AM4 PCs cheaply. Not ideal for Ryzen 9 processors. Heavy overclocking. High-end gaming builds. RGB showcase PCs. At $69.99, the GIGABYTE B550MK delivers PCIe 4.0 plus dual M.2 at ultra-budget price, making it a great value choice for affordable Ryzen gaming builds. Number 3. This is the GIGABYTE B550 Eagle Wi-Fi 6, a mid-range ATX AM4 motherboard with strong power delivery, PCIe 4.0, and built-in Wi-Fi 6. AMD B550 chipset with Ryzen 3000/4000/5000 support. ATX form factor for full-size gaming builds. 10+3 power phase VRM for stable CPU performance. PCIe 4.0x16 slot for modern GPUs. 2x M.2 slots for high-speed NVMe SSDs. Built-in Wi-Fi 6 plus Bluetooth support. USB-C connectivity for modern devices. Gigabit Ethernet LAN for wired networking. DDR4 memory support up to 3200 MHz, OC higher. PCIe Easy Latch for easy GPU installation. RGB Fusion lighting support. Solid heatsinks for VRM cooling. Pros. Strong 10+3 VRM for Ryzen 7 CPUs. Built-in Wi-Fi 6 at affordable price. PCIe 4.0 GPU and SSD support. Full ATX layout with good expansion. USB-C included. Cons. Only gigabit LAN, no 2.5 gigabits. Basic audio compared to premium boards. No Wi-Fi 6E, only Wi-Fi 6. Limited RGB headers versus high-end models. BIOS not as polished as premium boards. This motherboard is best for Ryzen 5 5600/Ryzen 7 5700X builds. Mid-range gaming PCs. Users needing built-in Wi-Fi. ATX case builds. Gaming plus streaming setups. Not ideal for Ryzen 9 heavy overclocking. High-end enthusiast builds. DDR5 platform users. At $99.99, the GIGABYTE B550 Eagle Wi-Fi 6 offers Wi-Fi 6 plus strong VRM plus ATX layout, making it an excellent mid-range value for Ryzen 5000 gaming builds, especially if you want wireless connectivity without spending $140 plus. Number 2. This is the GIGABYTE B550 Gaming XV2, a value-focused ATX AM4 motherboard with PCIe 4.0, strong VRM design, and solid connectivity for Ryzen 5000 builds. AMD B550 chipset with Ryzen 3000/4000/5000 support. ATX form factor for full-size gaming setups. 10+3 power phase VRM for stable CPU performance. PCIe 4.0x16 slot for modern GPUs. Dual M.2 slots for high-speed NVMe SSDs. Front panel USB-C header for modern PC cases. DDR4 memory support 3200 MHz, OC higher. Gigabit LAN for stable wired connection. QFlash Plus, update BIOS without CPU. RGB Fusion support for lighting customization. Large VRM heatsinks for improved cooling. Multiple PCIe slots for expansion cards. Pros. Strong 10+3 VRM for Ryzen 7 CPUs. PCIe 4.0 support for GPU and SSD. ATX layout with good expansion. QFlash Plus BIOS update feature. Affordable price for full ATX board. Cons. No built-in Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Only gigabit LAN, no 2.5 gigabits. Basic audio codec. Only 2 M.2 slots. Minimal RGB features. This motherboard is best for Ryzen 5 5600/5600X builds. Ryzen 7 5700X gaming PCs. Budget ATX gaming builds. Users using wired Ethernet. Mid-range GPU setups, RTX 4060/4070 class. Not ideal for Wi-Fi users. Ryzen 9 heavy workloads. Premium RGB showcase builds. Small micro ATX cases. At $89.99, the GIGABYTE B550 Gaming XV2 offers strong VRM plus ATX size plus PCIe 4.0, making it a great value for wired mid-range Ryzen gaming builds, especially if you don't need built-in Wi-Fi. Number 1. This is the ASUS TUF Gaming B550 plus Wi-Fi 2, a durable ATX AM4 motherboard with PCIe 4.0, Wi-Fi 6, and 2.5 gigabits LAN built for reliable gaming performance. AMD B550 chipset with Ryzen 3000/4000/5000 support. ATX form factor for full-size gaming builds. PCIe 4.0 support for GPU and NVMe SSD. Built-in Wi-Fi 6 plus Bluetooth connectivity. 2.5 gigabits Ethernet LAN for faster wired networking. Strong 8+2 DRMOS power stage VRM for stable performance. Dual M.2 slots with heatsinks. USB 3.2 Gen 2 high-speed ports. BIOS flashback for CPU-less BIOS update. HDMI plus DisplayPort for Ryzen APUs. Military-grade TUF components for durability. Aura Sync plus addressable Gen 2 RGB headers. Reinforced PCIe slot for heavy GPUs. Pros: excellent durability and build quality. Wi-Fi 6 plus 2.5 gigabits LAN included. Stable VRM for Ryzen 7 CPUs. PCIe 4.0 support for GPU and SSD. Easy BIOS flashback feature. Clean layout and good cooling. Cons: no Wi-Fi 6E, Wi-Fi 6 only. Only 2 M.2 slots. Basic audio compared to ROG models. AM4 platform has no future CPU upgrades. Slightly more expensive than basic B550 boards. This motherboard is best for Ryzen 5 5600/Ryzen 7 5700X builds. Reliable mid-range gaming PCs. Users needing built-in Wi-Fi. Long-term stable AM4 builds. Gaming plus streaming setups. Not ideal for budget builds. DDR5 platform users. Extreme overclocking enthusiasts. At $119.99, the ASUS TUF Gaming B550 plus Wi-Fi 2 offers Wi-Fi 6, 2.5 gigabits LAN, strong durability, and PCIe 4.0, making it a great value mid-range AM4 motherboard for stable gaming builds. Check the link in the description to see the latest price and availability. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more PC hardware reviews.